Hello students. In last lecture, we have studied five kingdom system of classification. Today, we are going to start classification of microbes, microorganisms. Among the living organisms and microorganisms are largest in number and hence they are classified as prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes again subdivided into bacteria, eukaryotes classified into protista, fungi and algae. With reference to size of microbes, remember this one, 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer. Then first one, bacteria. Size of bacteria is 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. What are the characteristics of bacteria? Bacteria are unicellular, single cell, independent and parasitic organisms. Bacteria are independent and some bacteria are parasitic, means depend on other organisms. Prokaryotic with cell wall but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. You know that prokaryotic means there is a lack of distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. Reproduced by simple binary fission. Bacteria reproduced by simple binary fission, and in favorable conditions bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in 20 minutes. See in this picture some bacteria shapes are there, coccus, then spirillum, then Diplobacillia, this one Streptobacillia, Streptococcus is this one. Okay, now then next, second, protozoa. Size of protozoa is approximately 200 micrometer. Protozoas are found in soil, fresh water and seawater. Some are found in the body of other organisms and are pathogenic. Protozoans are found in soil and fresh water and seawater, and some are found in the body of other organisms and are pathogenic. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell. There is a great variation in cell structure. In protozoans, there is a great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion and modes of nutrition among protozoans. This organism, protozoa organism, reproduce by simple cell division. In this paramecium picture is this one. Examples of protozoa: Enta amoeba histolytica causes amoebasis. Enta amoeba histolytica causes amoebasis. Plasmodium vivax, this one picture. In this picture you see Plasmodium vivax causes malaria. Euglena, This one as a picture of Euglena is a autotropy. Amoeba and Paramecium free living in dirty water. Okay, amoebasis means what? This is a one disease and it spread through drinking or eating uncooked fruit that may have been washed in contaminated local water. What are the symptoms of this amoebasis? Fever, severe headache, sensitivity of light, vomiting, loss of balance, etc. are the symptoms of amoebasis. Then third one, fungi. Approximately size of fungi is 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. Fungi are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. Fungi are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. Fungi are unicellular, eukaryotic organisms and some are visible with naked eyes. They are saprotrophic. They are absorb their food from decaying organic matter. Fungi are saprotrophic. They absorb their food from decaying organic matter. They reproduce sexually and asexually by division, by cell division or by budding. Reproduction in fungi is sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. Some examples of fungi are baker yeast. This one as a baker yeast. Then candida, mushroom. This one as a mushroom. And this is as a Saccharomyces. This one as a Saccharomyces. Thank you, student.